Today I'm going to show you how to remove Made with Card from your website. If you're using Card to build your site, you might have noticed a small text at the bottom that says Made with Card, and while it's harmless, many users prefer a cleaner, more professional look without it. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to card.co. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. This will take you to your Card dashboard where all your sites are listed. From your dashboard, locate and select the site you want to edit, then click on Edit this site. This opens up the site editor where you can make all your changes. Now, in the upper right panel, you'll see a button labeled Publish this site. Go ahead and click on that. A new window will appear, and from there, click Publish Changes. After your changes are saved, you'll see an option to View Site. Click on that to open your live site in a new tab. When your site loads, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll notice a small text that says Made with Card. This is the branding Card adds to all free accounts. In order to remove this, you must first upgrade your Card account to a Pro plan. Since I'm using a free trial version, I'll show you the next steps as they would appear on a Pro account. Once you've upgraded to Pro, head back to your site editor. Click the Settings gear icon in the top toolbar. This will open a menu with various customization options. From that menu, select General. You'll be taken to a page with multiple settings related to your site's overall configuration. Scroll down until you reach the Branding or Footer section. This is where Card gives you control over the Made with Card text. Here, you'll see a toggle option that says Made with Card. This toggle is only available on Pro plans, so if you're still on the free version, you won't see it. Simply toggle this option off to remove the branding from your site. After toggling it off, make sure to click Save or Apply to confirm your changes. This ensures that your settings are updated and stored. Finally, head back to the top right corner of your site editor and click Publish. This will push your changes live, and the Made with Card text will no longer appear at the bottom of your site. And that's it. You've successfully removed the Made with Card branding from your website, giving it a cleaner, more professional appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.